Hello everyone, today I want to share with you a little trick when it comes to handing out your finalized IEPs after the IEP meeting to the rest of the IEP team. So if you're not already, you should be making sure that you are handing out one IEP to every person on the IEP team. So that means every general education teacher, including if they have multiple general education teachers, all of the specials teachers, anyone the child sees throughout their school day should have a copy of the child's IEP. This also includes the parent and everyone else on the IEP team, right? So when it comes to the general education teachers and other service providers at school that you have to hand out this finalized IEP to, what I recommend you doing is getting an acknowledgement of receipt of the IEP. Now this is included inside of the intentional IEP. You can print it out and use it. And basically what you're doing is you're going to have copies of all of your students' IEPs. Now this is a sample IEP from the state of Florida. There's no information in it, so don't worry about confidentiality in this video. But you have your IEP, and I would just simply walk up to Stephanie or Mrs. D and say, hey, here is Stephanie's IEP. I need you to sign this paper and just say that you got it and what your role is in the child's education. So basically it says the signature, their role, or it says position, so their position at the school, general ed teacher, and then the date. This solidifies for you that you are doing your due diligence to make sure everyone on the IEP team received a copy of the IEP. You could also do this if you're giving out digital copies of the IEP, because I know that's happening now for IEP teams as well. Everyone gets a digital copy of the IEP. They have to log in to get it. You may walk around and make sure that everyone knows how to log in, or have them log in and show you how to find that child's IEP, and then have them sign off saying that you gave them the child's IEP. They know how to find the child's IEP. They have a copy of it, and really it covers your butt as the special education teacher and caseload manager for your student that everyone has a copy of the child's IEP. Did I say that enough in this video? Everyone needs to have a copy of the child's finished, finalized IEP. You can find this acknowledgement receipt inside of the Intentional IEP membership, which I will leave a link to in the text below this video. And also make sure that you're following the Intentional IEP for all of your IEP needs, tips, and tricks for teachers and service providers. See you in the next video.